How to be a Shopee affiliate marketer. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to be a Shopee affiliate marketer. To become a Shopee affiliate marketer, start by opening your web browser and searching for affiliate.shopee.ph. Once you land on the home page, click on the Enter button to proceed. From there, you will need to create an account. You can either use your email address or sign up using your Facebook or Google account. I chose to sign up with my Google account, and you can do the same. Once you've selected your preferred account, fill in the necessary information such as your affiliate account type, social media accounts, linked contact number, contact email, and verification code. You have the option to add a referral code, but it is not required. After filling in the information, click on Submit. Once you become an affiliate, you can promote products on various social media channels and platforms to earn a good amount of money. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.